Hey it's Angeline here. Welcome back to another crafty video with Unity Stamp. Today I'm going to show you how to create this background using some Glitz glitter gel from Gina. So first, I've already stamped this Brew Like a Boss stamp kit by Graciellie Design on some white cardstock, and I'm grabbing my Jane Davenport Mermaid markers to color them in. And to create my plaid background, I'm using this fun stencil by Nook's Design and some Gina Glitz glitter gel in white. So first, I'm starting off with the Plaid stencil set and some distress oxide inks here. I'm gonna ink up the background first before I do anything. I'm using the spun sugar here and my makeup brush to just give it a light wash of pink right in the background. Next, I am grabbing the first stencil here, which is the wider stencil, and I'm grabbing some Pick Raspberry Distress Oxide ink here to just ink up 2/3 of the stencil. I just wanted to create a background, just a partial background and not the whole card. So you can take a peek here and see whether you're in love with your background or not. So if you're not, just add more colors before you remove your background. Then I'm grabbing the second stencil here and creating a plaid pattern. Here it is so easy with this stencil. I'm grabbing the Blueprint Sketch Distress Oxide ink and just adding a really contrasting color here. You don't need to be afraid right now, it kind of looks crazy. But once you remove the stencil, you can see that it kind of looks alright, right? So don't be afraid, just wash off the stencil before this next step. I'm putting it directly on the same spot where the blue is, and I'm grabbing the Glitz glitter gel by Gina here in white and a palette knife to just go over the blue color. This Glitz glitter gel is so pretty in real. It is so glittery. Oh my goodness, you have to have it. Unity Stamp sells all the colors, so you can grab yours from them. So once you're done, remove the stencil and you're ready to go. Once it's dried, it's time to adhere all the elements together. Here I'm just putting the sentiment right at the bottom of my card and just adding some foam tape to the coffee cup to create some dimension. So just check out how glittery the gel is. Oh my goodness, if you don't have this, you need to try this out. So here is my finished card. I hope you enjoyed this technique and thanks for watching. Bye!